Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss customized reporting of LVM. Like if you type PVS, so we are getting this information. But if you require further more information, you are having option -O. Here you can type PV_name. It will give you only PV name. Else you can do PV_size. It will give you PV name and size. Accordingly, you can give. If you require more information, you can do V, where we will give the size in PVUID extra. Okay. Or if you don't want complete PVS, so you can do PV, whatever the thing is there, plus add PV UID. So what it will do, PV digital by default is showing in PVS and hidden. Additional showing PV UID. And if you want PVS, if I have to know headings in ADINGS headings. So upper column will get disappear, and you can do furthermore PV_name, comma PV_size. So you'll get name and size. You can do sorting also. Sorting with PV_name, capital O. So able to see S, T, A, B and C. For P2, PV size, sorting size. So first it has taken the 1 GB, 2 GB and 7 GB. And there's one more thing, if you don't want to show sorting size, you can do like this also. Even though it is getting short with the PV size, but it will won't show here. So that's how you can filter it. Same goes with the VG. Like VGS, we are having, okay, put VG-B for more detail, or VG-O plus PV_name. So we are getting PV name. So accordingly, you can make LVS also. LVS, we are getting this LVS-B, you'll get more information. What we can do, LVS-O plus VG. Okay, VG name you got. Yes, it's showing in GB. You can show previous upcoming units. M, such as for MB, J for GB, not for MB only. So that's all for today's video. In this, you can define the output you want to see. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.